नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. In the Holy Quran, there's multiple places where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions about the creation of this earth, that what He created and how He created and why He created. So in that He says that the earth was vibrating. So I put mountains on it so it can stabilize. The mountains can stabilize that the earth will not vibrate all the time and it become a livable place for human beings. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put like as we put a paperweight on paper to balance it so it does not fly with the wind. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put mountains on it so it balances the earth and the earth stays the way it is. But we as a human being, we disturb the geological uh, condition of the earth by putting dynamite through these mountains and to build highways or freeways so we can travel faster from one place to another place without worrying about how it will affect the nature. And that geological disturbance is causing earthquakes in the world. You will see different parts of the world. These earthquakes are coming, and heavy earthquakes are coming, and thousands of people die, and we lose multi-million dollar or multi-billion dollar worth of stuff in different portions of the world. But we don't care still. We are still building freeways, highways because we want to make money, but keeping the travel fast and keeping the travel quick and keeping our money to our pockets. And we don't worry about what happened to our fellow human beings. Same thing, the water, the water, we waste water every day. Now they say there will be a big scarcity of water in the world. There is no clean drinking water available in the world. So what will happen? So if we are the one making the water filthy, we are causing harm to it by doing multiple activity in our industries and in our economies. If we stop those activities, we stop releasing that uh, polluted stuff, polluted our garbage, our waste to the water. That in that way, fishes and all the sea, the ocean creation, will also be protected. Plus, our water will be saved for our generations to come, and we can use. If the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, even if you're standing on a river and the river is flowing with water, you need to do wuzu. Wuzu is that you need to wash your face, your hands, your feet, and you need to put water on your head just to clean yourself before the prayer. When you need to do wudu, you use the minimum water because it is a flowing water. There's millions of gallons of water flowing in front of you. Still, don't waste a drop of water because you will be held accountable for that drop of water on the day of judgment, because that drop of water is precious for somebody else on the other side of the world who might need it, who might need it to survive, who might need it to drink, who might need it to cook food, who might need it for something else. So, if the water is needed for everything, because our existence, majority part of our existence is water and clay, So, if water and clay we are created out of, so it is so important for us. These are the only two things which we use today for cleaning too. If there is no water, you can use clay to do tayammum. You can clean yourself with the clay because we are made of clay, we are made of water. These are the only things. Preferred is water. If water is not available, you can use clay and clean yourself. But in no matter what, we are not allowed to waste any resources of God, because that resources of God are for all fellow human beings. They are not our personal property. They are a public property. They are for everybody, all human beings in the world, all across, regardless of any country, any continent they belong to. So, my humble request to all of you that let's not disturb the nature, because nature helps us to live better. And once we will live better and follow the guidelines of our God and follow His one religion that He has prescribed for us, we will be successful in this world and the world after. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.